Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to update your Windows 11 and do some extra feature and check for the update. So to do this operation, go to the search, write the settings from the keyboard, go to settings, and on the left side we have an option Windows Update. That's it. And as you see in my case, I have two updates to already install it in my computer, so the computer is ready to restart now to install it. And there is a few options on the Windows Update, so you can get last update as soon as they possible. Of course, I want to click on. You can pause update, pause for 1 week. There is an update history, advanced option of your update. And there is a Windows Insight program. It's been a professional option which you don't need to change. But anyway, from here there is a check for update. The button will be here and you can click on it. The computer will check for any updates. When you're gonna have it, you can install it from here and restart computer to apply that. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.